revise chapter number 15. And chapter number 15 is air around us. First of all, tell me what do you mean by atmosphere? What is atmosphere? What do you mean by atmosphere? Hanji beta?
Thick layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere.
Very good. Thick layer of air around the earth's surface, or we can call it blanket of air around the earth's surface. Do you know the composition of earth? What composition of air? What the air is made up of? Anyone knows how to draw the pie chart? Present. Yes, come beta. Draw. And you have to write various components. You have to draw circle. Yes, draw it. जैसे भी आना draw करो. Yes, good. चलो okay. Write the various components. Yes, by the time you get draw in your notebooks. Okay, a good try, but when you have to draw it, so a complete circle should be there. Okay, and you have to come up to the center of this, like this. And this is the nitrogen. How much percentage of nitrogen? 78%. Nitrogen makes the main part of the atmosphere. And this is 21% oxygen. Okay, oxygen is 21% and other gases 1%. Other gases make 1%. Other gases contain, who will tell? Yes?
Carbon dioxide, water vapor.
Very good. It contains carbon dioxide,
Water vapor.
Dust particles, dust, and some other noble gases also. Hydrogen, neon, krypton, okay, and hydrogen, helium, etc. And you should know the percentage of carbon dioxide also. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide? Yes?
1 by half.
It is 0.03%. And what is the importance of carbon dioxide?
Carbon dioxide is used by plants to perform photosynthesis.
Very good.
Carbon dioxide is used to extinguish fire.
Very good. It is used by green plants to do photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food and we depend on plants for our food. And it is also used to extinguish fire. To extinguish fire. Clear? And importance of water vapors. They are also very important. And what do we call the amount of water present in air? We call it water vapor. Humidity. Okay, amount of water vapor present in here is called humidity. And what's the importance of water vapors? They have to bring about rains. They help in water cycle. They help in water cycle. And their percentage varies from place to place. Near the sea coastal areas, near the seashores, percentage is more. And in desert, percentage of water vapor is less. And dust is also there. Its percentage also varies. Okay, कहीं पे pollution है, ज़्यादा vehicles हैं, busy roads हैं, तो dust will be more as compared to other places. We can perform an activity in the closed dark room. Pull the curtains down, dark है, and allow the sunlight to enter through a slit. बाकी सब curtains down, एक slit से allow light to enter, then you can see the dust particles dancing in that patch of light. अंधेरे कमरे में जब थोड़ी सी लाइट एंटर करती है तो उस लाइट में आपको डस्ट पार्टिकल्स दिखते हैं. And they settle down on your furniture, on the window panes. That's why you need to wipe them. अगर कुछ दिन आप फर्नीचर की डस्टिंग नहीं करते, उसको वाइप नहीं करते, तो यू कैन सी डस्ट ऑन योर फर्नीचर. ओके, आपकी फ्रेम्स पे, विंडो पेन्स पे यू कैन सी द डस्ट. Some other gases are also there, like hydrogen is there. It's light gas. It helps in it burn itself. ये खुद बनती है हाइड्रोजन. Its percentage is very less. Methane is also there. Like some other noble gases are also there. Then what's the importance of oxygen? What it is used? Good note.
It helps the human beings to breathe in air for survival, and it is must.
Yes, we need it for our survival. It helps in respiration. It is used in respiration. We breathe in oxygen. Oxygen combines with the food that we eat. Gives us energy when it breaks down the food. Carbon dioxide, water vapors are produced in this reaction. Energy is produced that is used to do various activities. And another important function, it helps in burning. किसी मटेरियल को आग नहीं लगेगी जब तक वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. It helps in combustion, burning में हेल्प करती है. And it is required for burning. We can perform an activity for that also. Yes.
Take one burning candle, put a glass and work it on it.
Yes.
We will notice that a few times the burning
After some time,
the burning candle will extinguish because the supply of oxygen is limited. It means it shows that oxygen supports burning.
Very good. Sit down. What we have to do? You have to take a candle. You have to take a glass and turn it upside down and cover the burning candle with this glass. आपने एक candle ली, light it with the help of matchstick, cover it with the help of a glass, and observe. After some time, you will see the candle will get extinguished. The observation is after a few seconds, candle will get extinguished. Why is it so?
Because the supply of oxygen is limited.
In glass, oxygen was limited. It was used for burning. When no more oxygen is left in the glass, candle will get extinguished. Candle will get extinguished. And next is nitrogen. What is the importance of nitrogen? It neither burns nor help in burning, but it helps to control the process of burning. The nitrogen, it remains inactive. इसको हेल्प नहीं करती, बट इट कीप्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ बर्निंग अंडर कंट्रोल. Process of burning under control. And it is used to make fertilizers. It is used to make fertilizers, and in the packaged foods like chips, etc., it is used to keep the food items fresh. Food packaging में to keep the food fresh, it is also used. And next is how can you show that the air occupies space? If we have to show air occupies space, how will you show that? This is a common activity that you do at home when you take bath, when you have a bucket filled with water. What you have to do? You have to take a mug or glass. You have to fill the water in the bucket. Then after that, this activity you have to do. You can make video and you can send to me. Take a bucket filled with water. Then you have to take a glass. Turn it upside down. And try to insert it into water. गिलास लेना है, पानी भरना बकेट में, इसको उल्टा करके ट्राई टू इंसर्ट इट इनटू वाटर एंड ऑब्जर्व. व्हाट विल यू ऑब्जर्व? Water will not enter into the glass. Water will not enter into the glass. And now second case में क्या करना है? अब आपने वो सेम ही गिलास को क्या करना है? Now you have to tilt it slightly. When you tilt it, थोड़ा टेढ़ा करोगे in water, then you will find air will come out in the form of bubbles and water will enter the glass. आपने क्या किया? पहले आपने सीधा अपसाइड डाउन ट्राई किया इंसर्ट करने को. It will not get inserted. Water will not get into glass because glass was not empty. It was filled with air. It was filled with air. Now when you tilt it, air comes out and water will get into glass. पानी अब गिलास के अंदर चला जाएगा. What does it show? Shows that air occupies space. This shows that air occupies space. Clear? And one more activity is there. If soil contains air. Air is present in soil. That's why some animals which live in the soil like earthworms, they breathe by using that air. Clear? We can perform this activity. You have to take a lump of soil. Clear? You have to put it in the glass. When you pour water into it, then you have to observe. Give the water. Open it. Yes. You have to take a glass. You have to put a lump of soil in it. Then you have to put water, and you will see bubbles coming out of the lump of soil. Okay? Bubbles are coming.
Yes.
Yes, you can see bubbles are coming and they are going upside. Okay, these bubbles are of air. This shows that air is dissolved in soil. Air is present in the pores of the soil. Clear? This you can do at home also because still bubbles are coming and going to the surface of the water. Okay? And then one more activity is given in your book, that is you have to show that air is dissolved in water. How can you perform this activity? This activity is performed daily at just before water starts boiling, boil होने से पहले, when you heat the water in the pan, after a few minutes, you have to observe in inner surface of the container. कंटेनर के अंदर आप देखोगे छोटे छोटे बबल्स बनती हैं वाटर की, एयर की. These are the air bubbles. This shows that the air is dissolved in water. Easy? Yes. What you have to take? Water in the container. Here, when you heat it, air escapes in the form of bubbles, and these bubbles they settle at the inner surface of container. What does it show? It shows that
Air dissolves in water.
air is dissolved in water. And what is the importance of that?
Marine animals.
Yes, very good.
Can-
Marine animals, fish, etc. they use this dissolved oxygen. Oxygen is dissolved in water. Okay, water goes into their bodies through gills. Okay, gills have rich supply of blood vessels. So blood picks up oxygen dissolved in water. So this is very important. All the aquatic animals they use oxygen dissolved in water. Clear? And why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them? When they go at high altitudes, they take oxygen cylinders. Why do they take? Anji?
Because
When we go higher,
the oxygen becomes less and we have to
take oxygen.
That's why we take like the oxygen cylinder.
Very good. Okay, as we go higher, at high altitudes, air becomes thin, and level of oxygen it goes less. Less amount of oxygen is available at high altitudes. That's why in order to breathe properly, they take oxygen cylinders so that they breathe easily, they don't feel dizziness, वो बेहोश ना हो जाए in the absence of oxygen. So in order to breathe properly, they take the oxygen cylinders. At high altitudes, air is thin. Clear? Then next is at a busy road where dust is more, it's always advised to wear mask. The policeman who controls the traffic on the roads, they wear mask. Why do they wear the mask? Yes?
And because the burning of fuel releases smoke.
Yes, because so many vehicles are there. When fossil fuels burn, smoke is released, harmful gases are there, dust particles are there. If we do not wear mask, then dust particles may enter the respiratory system. They may cause the breathing problems. So to avoid breathing problems, to avoid respiratory problems, like, can you name a disease or a condition which is due to the dust? Yes, it is asthma. Asthma and bronchitis, breathing problem. Okay. So, and it is always advised to breathe through the nose. Okay, air are present in the nose. They also prevent the dust to go into our lungs. Clear? Now, a few more activities which are not possible if air is not there. You have to tell a few activities which are possible only if air is there. Yes, any one property. Better bata do.
Burning.
Yes, burning is not possible. It is also done. Plants cannot prepare food. Photosynthesis is not possible. Yes, animals can't live without air. Yes, वो breathing के लिए हो गया.
We cannot breathe.
we cannot breathe is done. Other properties which we have not done by now, अब तक जो हमने नहीं की. Air helps to fly birds, okay, aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. Second, windmill works due to the energy of the wind. Wind is blowing air, okay, and air helps in dispersal of seeds. Seeds are carried from one place to another by air, and it helps in water cycle. And one more activity. Yes.
Making clouds.
Yes, it helps to carry sound. If air is not there, it acts as medium to carry sound. Okay, that's all. And now you can ask any question if any query is there regarding this chapter.